Hello, my name is Alex.
And I'm Francesco, and today we'll be talking about a project for an app that connects students that wish to study together. A poll that we conducted at St. Louis University indicates that 78% of students study almost always alone. Among those students, 61% would like to connect more with other students who are studying the same subjects. When asked why, the three main reasons that students came up with are: first, a lower tendency to procrastinate and get bored. Studying in groups creates a sense of accountability that provides immediate feedback, which can motivate students to put in more effort. Second, more creativity and ideas resulting from different backgrounds. And third, a more effective way to study through collaboration. These ideas reflect the findings of recent research. Academic researchers agree that working in small groups can help enhance the learning process, both at school and in business settings. So what holds back students from reaching out to each other? It is not easy for students to connect. There is no easily accessible way to meet new people who are working on the same problem. Oftentimes, students may be attending the same classes, but yet fail to reach out to each other and take advantage of this opportunity to collaborate. According to our poll, 73% of students do not know more than 1/3 of their classmates. So how can we help students make new friends and work together? It appears that they want to collaborate more, but that they have a hard time doing so. Our idea is to design an app that aims to connect students who wish to study together. We will name this app Studentus. Through the app, students will be able to search for study partners based on their preferences and the subject that they wish to study. The app will allow them to meet new people, regardless of where they are, and study with them. The app will match people based on their preferences and study interests, and encourage people with similar profiles to work together. Once connected, the students will be able to share contact information. Later on, we plan to introduce the option of communicating through the app with voice or video calls, texts, and a common workspace. The app will allow students to provide feedback for the people that they work with to make a trusted and reliable community. Early adopters and regular users will earn status within the community. Thanks to this app, we aim to enhance the students' learning process, help them pursue their studies, and meet new people. Our business will grow if we are successful in building a strong and reliable community.
Our app will be available for free. It will primarily target college students, but it can also attract a very diverse consumer base. It is designed to provide a seamless experience and benefit anyone who would like to connect with other learners. We plan to generate revenue through sale of advertising space. We anticipate that if we are able to attract a substantial consumer base, businesses will seek to have us incorporate their student-related content in our app. We may later on generate revenue by selling premium subscriptions, which will allow users to eliminate ads and add a few perks, adding value to the experience on our platform. Costs will come primarily from software development, building and maintaining data infrastructure. Although we anticipate that our app will see viral growth through word-of-mouth marketing, thanks to our early adopters, we intend to spend a portion of our resources to advertising on social media. We plan to grow our app by integrating our services into online learning platforms such as DataCamp. Through our app, students will be able to connect and work together on the material that is provided by these platforms. A partnership of that sort would evidently boost our credibility and sense of community between users, as well as bring new users to our platform. Such a partnership will also bring value to the online learning platforms by providing their members with opportunities to meet other people and learn together. Eventually, if our app is successful, it may very well serve a purpose on college campuses as well. It may benefit universities to use our service, thereby helping students connect more within their community. We believe that our business model will fit well with current industry trends. First, the use of apps on mobile phones has been growing fast and is taking up more and more of the digital content world. Furthermore, mobile phones are responsible for 52% of web traffic, against 43% by laptops and desktops. By introducing our services in the form of an app, it will be easily accessible to all college students. Our platform will primarily target the teenager, young adult demographic, who uses mobile phones to access the majority of online resources. Second, the availability of online educational resources is growing worldwide as a result of the ever-increasing connectedness. More and more students are seeking new ways to learn, and mobile applications are their primary tool. Many companies reach out to students by offering online courses, DataCamp or Coursera, for example, by seeking to complement students' education, Khan Academy, or by seeking to help students who are struggling with their classes, Check or Coursera. Third, our marketing strategy will rely mostly on consumer-generated content and social media advertising. Studies have shown that social media ads have the highest conversion rates. That is, they are most likely to draw the targeted audience to the advertised product.
As we have mentioned, an increasing number of learning tools have been created to help guide students through their education. However, we are envisioning something quite different. Our goal is not to provide material and teach students, but rather to connect the students themselves. Most learning platforms have forums or discussion threads, but we do not. Our concept is different. Through our app, students will be able to meet new students in their field of interest. This is quite difficult to do on learning platforms like Khan Academy, EDX, or Coursera. From this point of view, our app is more like social media. Once connected, students will also be able to communicate one-on-one. However, while social media outlets like Facebook excel at connecting people who already met, they are not designed for users to meet new people. For these reasons, we think that our product differentiates itself from existing products by combining elements of social media outlets with elements of online learning platforms and a specific focus on networking and learning.
Our first step will be to design a minimum viable product and test it out in the real world in order to receive feedback from actual users. The MVP will consist of an app with basic functionality. It will allow users to create a profile, list their preferences and fields of interest, and connect with fellow learners through the chat. This way, we can better understand the needs of our target market and incrementally improve our products through the feedback loop by failing and learning fast. Finally, we will develop an integrated social media advertising campaign in order to build a consumer base. My name is Alex Ipatov. I'm a chess grandmaster currently enrolled in the MBA program at St. Louis University. I'm passionate about education. I've been using online learning platforms for the past 5 years to teach myself various subjects, mainly data science. Now, I want to pursue my passion by providing students with new tools to learn.
My name is Francesco Rambaldi. I am a chess grandmaster and I am currently studying finance and mathematics at St. Louis University. Like Alex, I use online courses to complement my studies in several subjects, including data science. Thank you for listening.